Good morning student. Today's class. Today we will learn about the parasitic nutrition. What is parasitic nutrition? Parasitic nutrition is the mode of heterotrophic nutrition where an organism live on the body surface or inside the body of the another type of the organism. पैरासाइटिक न्यूट्रिशन क्या होगा? ये हीटोट्रॉपिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन के अंदर आ जाते हैं और इसके अंदर ऑर्गेनिज्म क्या करेगा, किसी दूसरे ऑर्गेनिज्म की बॉडी के सरफेस के ऊपर जाके बैठ जाएगा, है ना, तो उसको हम पैरासाइटिक न्यूट्रिशन बोलते हैं. ठीक है. द पैरासाइट ऑब्टेन न्यूट्रिशन डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द बॉडी ऑफ द होस्ट. जिसकी बॉडी पे जाके, है ना, वो बैठेगा, जिस सरफेस के ऊपर वो जाके बैठेगा उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? होस्ट बोलते हैं. और उससे वो क्या करता है? डायरेक्टली अपना खाना ले लेता है, अपना भोजन ले लेता है. Since these parasites derive their nourishment from their host, this symbiotic interaction is often described as harmful to the host. Parasites are dependent on their host for survival, since the host provide nutrition and protection. As a result of this dependence, parasites have considerable modification to optimize parasitic. Parasites are divided into two groups, endoparasite and ectoparasites. Endoparasite are parasites that live inside the body of the host, यानी कि जो बॉडी के अंदर होगा. और ectoparasites are that parasite live on the outer surface of the host and generally attach themselves during feeding. Due to the different strategies of endoparasites and ectoparasites, they require different adaptation in order to acquire nutrition from their host. This is the example of parasite. This one is the endoparasite, mosquito. Sorry, cactus is the endoparasite, mosquito is the ectoparasite. Nutrition in human being. Human being are complex animals which have complex digestive system. The human digestive system is composed of an alimentary canal and some accessory glands. The alimentary canal is divided into several parts, that is esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Salivary gland, liver and pancreas are the accessory gland which lie outside the alimentary canal. Now let us discuss about the structure of the human digestive system. This one is the human digestive system. This one is the salivary glands, mouth, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, anus, small intestine, gallbladder, liver, large intestine. This one is the some zoom picture. Tongue, mouth, esophagus, gallbladder, pancreas, bile duct, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. Mouth or buccal. The mouth has the teeth and tongue. Salivary gland are also present in the mouth. Salivary glands कहाँ पे होता है? Mouth में होता है. The tongue has the gustatory receptor which receive the sense of taste. जो जीभ होती है वो किस चीज़ को फील करता है? उसके पास किस चीज़ की सेंस होती है? टेस्ट की सेंस होती है. Tongue help in the turning over the food so that saliva can be properly mixed in. सलाइवा के साथ मिक्स होके वो प्रॉपर क्या बन जाता है, मतलब वो डाइजेस्ट होने में हेल्प कर देता है. टीथ हेल्प इन ब्रेकिंग डाउन द फूड इनटू द स्मॉलर पार्टिकल. टीथ का क्या काम होता है? जो हमने कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड खाया उसको स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स में चेंज कर देगा. ठीक है. स्लेवरी ग्लैंड सीक्रेट सलाइवा. सलाइवा मेक द फूड स्लिपरी. सलाइवा की वजह से जो खाना है वो कैसा हो जाएगा? स्लिपरी हो जाएगा. इट इज़ ईजी टू swallow the food. Saliva also contain the enzyme salivary amylase digest starch and convert into glucose. काफ़ी देर तक जब हम रोटी को चबाते हैं तो उसका टेस्ट आपने देखा है कि वो कैसा हो जाता है? मीठा हो जाता है ना. तो वो किसकी वजह से होता है? जो salivary amylase है वो क्या करती है? ग्लूकोज को सेक्रोज में चेंज कर देती है. Stomach is the bag like organ. Highly muscular wall of the stomach help in churning the food. The wall of stomach secrete hydrochloric acid. जो स्टमक की वॉल होती है वो क्या रिलीज करती है? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड रिलीज करती है. हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड किल द जर्म which may be present in food. Moreover, it make the medium inside the stomach as acidic. The acidic medium is necessary for gastric enzyme to work. The enzyme pepsin secreted in the stomach does partial digestion of protein. The mucus released by the wall of the stomach saves the inner lining of stomach from getting damaged from hydrochloric acid. Small intestine, it is highly coiled tube-like structure. The small intestine is longer than the large intestine, but its lumen is smaller than that of the large intestine. The small intestine is divided into three parts. This one, duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Liver is the largest organ in the human body. Liver manufactures bile which gets stored in gallbladder. From the gallbladder, bile is released as when required. Pancreas is situated below the stomach. It releases pancreatic juice which contain many digestive enzymes. Bile and pancreas juice go to the duodenum through a hepatopancreatic duct. Bile break down fat into smaller particles. This process called emulsification of fat. After that, the enzyme lipase digests fat into fatty acid and glycerol. Trypsin and chymotrypsin are enzymes which digest protein and into amino acid. Complex carbohydrates are digested into glucose. The inner wall in the ileum is projected into numerous finger-like structure called villi. Villi increase the surface area inside the ileum so that the optimum absorption can take place. Digestive food is absorbed by villi. Now, large intestine. Large intestine is smaller than small intestine. Undigested food goes into the large intestine. Some water and salt are absorbed by the wall of the large intestine. After that, the undigested food goes to the rectum from where it is expelled out through the anus. रेस्पिरेशन को हम कल पढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू.